Imagine waking up in your dream home with zero electric bills, complete energy independence, and a design so smart it practically pays for itself. I'm talking about the L-shaped barndominium powered entirely by off-grid solar. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much it costs, how to design it, and how much money you'll actually save every single month. This isn't just another alternative housing trend. This is the future of affordable, sustainable living in 2026. Before we dive in, if you're serious about building smart and saving money on energy, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right now. I'm breaking down real numbers, actual designs, and honest pros and cons that most builders won't tell you. Let's get into it. What is an L-shaped barndominium? An L-shaped barndominium is exactly what it sounds like. Your home forms an L shape instead of a simple rectangle. Think of it as two wings meeting at a corner, creating natural separation between different living zones without needing extra walls or hallways. Here's why this design is brilliant. That bend in the L creates a protected courtyard or outdoor living space right in the corner. You get instant privacy, a natural windbreak, and the perfect spot for a patio, pool, outdoor kitchen, or garden. It's like having your own private resort built right into the architecture. The L shape also gives you incredible flexibility. You can put your living quarters in one wing and your garage, workshop, or guest suite in the other wing. Want separation between your master bedroom and the kids' rooms? Done. Need a home office away from the noise? Easy. The design naturally creates zones without feeling cramped or needing long hallways. One of the biggest advantages is how this layout works on difficult properties. Got a corner lot, narrow land, or slope terrain? The L shape adapts beautifully where a rectangular building would struggle. You maximize usable space while working with your property instead of fighting against it. Why pair it with OFF grid solar? Here's where things get really interesting. In 2026, off-grid solar technology has reached a point where it's not just viable, it's actually smart economics for barndominiums. Let me explain why this combination is perfect. Barndominiums have large roof spans, which is ideal for solar panel installations. That big metal roof becomes a massive power generator. An L-shaped design gives you even more roof surface area positioned at different angles, which means you can capture sunlight throughout the entire day as the sun moves across the sky. Off-grid solar means zero monthly electric bills forever. Not reduced bills, zero bills. For the average American home, using 900 kilowatt hours per month at about 16 cents per kilowatt hour, that's $144 saved every single month, or $1,728 per year. Over 25 years, that's over $43,000 in savings. And that's assuming electricity prices don't increase, which they absolutely will. The federal government still offers a 30% tax credit through 2032 on solar installations, including batteries. If your solar system costs $50,000, you get $15,000 back in tax credits. That's massive and makes the investment much more affordable than most people realize. Real cost breakdown for 2026. Let's talk honest numbers for an L-shaped barndominium with complete off-grid solar power. For a 2,400 square foot L-shaped barndominium, here's what you're looking at. The barndominium structure itself costs approximately $65 to $150 per square foot turnkey, depending on finishes. For our example, let's use mid-range at $110 per square foot. That's $264,000 for the complete barndominium. Now for the off-grid solar system. A complete system for a 2,400 square foot home requires about 7 to 10 kilowatts of solar capacity. Based on 2026 pricing, expect to pay $45,000 to $65,000 for a complete off-grid system, including solar panels, battery storage, inverters, charge controllers, and professional installation. Let's break down the solar costs specifically. Solar panels cost $4,000 to $14,000 depending on capacity. Battery storage, which is essential for off-grid systems, runs $10,000 to $25,000 for lithium batteries with enough capacity to run your home for several days. Inverters to convert DC to AC power cost $7,000 to $8,000. Installation labor adds another $3,000 to $8,000. Total project cost for a 2,400 square foot L-shaped barndominium with complete off-grid solar. Approximately $309,000 to $329,000 turnkey. After the 30% federal tax credit, your effective cost drops to $295,000 to $314,000. Compare this to a traditional 2,400 square foot home at $180 to $300 per square foot, which is $432,000 to $720,000. Plus, you're still paying electric bills forever. You're saving $120,000 to $400,000 upfront and eliminating $1,700 plus per year in electric bills. Designing your L shape for solar efficiency. Smart design makes all the difference. Here's how to maximize both the L shape benefits and solar efficiency. Orient your L shape so one wing faces south and captures maximum sunlight throughout the day. This is crucial for solar panel efficiency. In the northern hemisphere, south-facing panels produce 25 to 30% more energy than other orientations. Position your living areas in the wing with the most windows and natural light to reduce daytime electricity needs. Put bedrooms in the other wing where you want it darker and quieter. This natural separation is one of the L shape's biggest advantages. Use the interior corner of the L for your outdoor living space. Install large sliding glass doors that open from your living area into this protected courtyard. This creates seamless indoor-outdoor flow while the L shape blocks wind and provides privacy from neighbors. Consider a two-story design on one wing if you need more space. The additional roof area gives you more solar panel capacity, and going vertical reduces your building footprint, which saves on foundation costs. Install energy-efficient features that reduce your power needs. Spray foam insulation keeps heating and cooling costs minimal. LED lighting throughout uses 75% less electricity than traditional bulbs. Energy Star appliances can cut your power consumption by 30 to 50%. These choices mean you need a smaller, less expensive solar system. The honest advantages. Let me give you the real benefits that make this combination so powerful. Complete energy independence means you're immune to power grid failures, rolling blackouts, and utility company problems. When your neighbors lose power, your lights stay on. This is increasingly valuable as grid infrastructure ages and extreme weather events become more common. Your property value increases significantly. Studies show solar installations boost home resale value by $5,900 for each kilowatt of solar installed. Energy-efficient homes sell faster and for premium prices because buyers understand the long-term savings. Low ongoing costs are a huge advantage. Solar panels require minimal maintenance, basically just occasional cleaning. They're warranted for 25 years and typically last 30 plus years. Batteries last 10 to 20 years. Metal barndominium exteriors need virtually no maintenance. The L shape creates incredible flexibility for family changes. Need to add an in-law suite? Expand one wing. Want a home office separate from living areas? Convert part of the garage wing. Growing family needs more bedrooms? Add a second story to one wing. The design adapts as your needs change. Environmental impact matters to many people. You're eliminating thousands of pounds of carbon emissions annually by using clean solar energy instead of grid power from fossil fuels. You're part of the solution, not the problem. The honest challenges. Now let's talk about the real drawbacks because every choice is trade-offs. Higher upfront costs are the biggest barrier. Even with tax credits, you're still investing $295,000 to $314,000 total. Not everyone has access to that kind of capital or can qualify for construction loans of that size. System sizing requires expertise. Get it wrong, and you either don't have enough power or you waste money on excess capacity you'll never use. You need professional assessment of your actual energy needs, local sun exposure, and seasonal variations. This isn't a DIY guessing game. Battery replacement is a real cost to plan for. Those batteries will need replacement every 10 to 15 years at a cost of $10,000 to $15,000. Factor this into your long-term budgeting. Weather dependency means cloudy weeks can strain your system. You need adequate battery storage to handle several days of minimal sun, which increases system costs. Some people add a backup propane generator for extended cloudy periods, adding $3,000 to $6,000 to initial costs. The L-shaped design costs more to build than simple rectangles due to additional corners, more complex roofing with valleys and joints, and extra exterior walls. Expect 10 to 15% higher construction costs compared to rectangular designs. Financing can be tricky because many conventional lenders are hesitant about non-traditional construction and off-grid systems. You may need construction loans, higher down payments, or specialized lenders familiar with alternative housing. Real-world example. Let me walk you through a specific build that shows realistic expectations. 3-bedroom, 2-bath L-shaped barndominium, 2,000 square feet total. Living wing is 1,200 square feet with open kitchen, dining, living room, and master suite. Second wing is 800 square feet with 2 bedrooms, bathroom, and attached 2-car garage. Building costs at $115 per square foot equals $230,000 complete, including all finishes, appliances, and fixtures. Solar system for this size includes 28 solar panels at 350 watts each for 9.8 kilowatts total capacity, 20 kilowatt-hour battery bank providing 2 days backup power, 2 5,000-watt inverters, charge controller and monitoring system, and professional installation. Total solar cost is $52,000 before tax credit, $36,400 after 30% federal tax credit. Additional costs include well and septic at $20,000, driveway and landscaping at $8,000, and permits and fees at $4,000. Total project cost is $298,400 after tax credit. Monthly savings with zero electric bills is $150 average, which equals $1,800 per year or $45,000 over 25 years. Is an L-shaped barndominium with off-grid solar right for you? Here's my honest take. This is perfect if you want long-term savings over upfront costs, value energy independence and sustainability, are building on rural property with good sun exposure, can handle or afford the higher initial investment, want a unique, flexible home design, and plan to stay in the home long-term to recoup costs. This might not be for you if you need the lowest possible upfront cost, are in an area with limited sun exposure, want conventional financing and quick resale, prefer traditional home aesthetics, or aren't comfortable with technology and system monitoring. My bottom line, this combination represents one of the smartest long-term investments in housing for 2026 if you can handle the upfront costs. You're building a home that increases in value while your costs decrease every year. As electricity prices rise, your savings grow. As the grid becomes less reliable, your independence matters more. The L-shaped design gives you flexibility, privacy, and outdoor living space that rectangular homes simply can't match. The off-grid solar gives you freedom, savings, and sustainability that grid-tied homes will never achieve. If you got the capital and you're building for the long haul, this is a fantastic choice that will pay dividends for decades. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button. Drop a comment telling me what size barndominium you're considering, and I'll give you feedback. And subscribe because I'm breaking down more alternative housing options with real numbers and honest analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.